Hello, it's me, welcoming you to 2019 with a new wig review. Happy New Year, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with a wig review. I have a box right here where I bought my wigs, and I got quicker delivery this time around. And yes, girls. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this real quick. And there's a wig here that I want to try out for you guys that I have not seen any reviews on. She is a new unit from Sensationnel, and Sensational. Yeah, anyway, whatever, I can't say the word. Doing wig reviews for you guys excites me. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because I switch up the look. It's just crazy. I might look crazy. It's just fun to me. Anyway, I just find it really entertaining to do wig reviews for you guys, and I love you so much. So I hope you guys enjoy these. So yeah, they're gonna keep coming. We're not even focused. Okay. So today we're gonna be reviewing the Sensationnel Empress lace wig. This is a new release that just came out. I don't see any other reviews for it, so happy New Year's to you. She is, I don't know if you could guess the shade, but this is Eyana, Eyana, and she is in the T1B matte gray shade. I don't know how she looks. We shall see. Let's pop her out. Lace front, of course. It's hand tied with deep curve for a more natural shape part. She looks gorgeous wearing it. So, ooh, this looks blonde. This looks blonde. This looks like a tan. I am scared. She's a short wig. I've been really into shorter wigs because I was always so scared to cut my hair. Clearly, I've cut it. Look at these little baby hairs. Anyway, look at these little baby hairs. And oh wow, she is going to be very short. I just like the overall look it gives. You can turn it from being kind of like a plain Jane professional, or you can sass it up with a pop of red or just make it sexy. Nonetheless, I feel like short hair has, I don't know, the same way as long hair. It just does something to me both ways. How you doing? She doesn't look gray, guys. She looks, I'm sure you guys can see it from the viewfinder. She looks tan. I'm wondering if I should get, if I like this wig, I might get the khaki. This looks blonde. It's fucking blonde. This is ash colored. I might need to tone this wig. I don't know how I feel about it, but whatever. So this wig has a parting space. It's deep. You can probably pluck it. You can't really see my fingers through it, so I don't know how I feel about that. There's two combs in the front. Thank God. One in the back. It has the adjustable straps. It has pretty much the tracks and some lace on the sides. It does have this soft lace in the front. As you guys can see, there's baby hairs, which I think that's cool. I'm a little scared right now because this wig looks way shorter. I don't know. I don't have a long neck. Definitely don't have a long neck. So we shall see how this wig fits. I might look like a real true fucking old lady with this wig on. Color's not ugly. It's just not gray. So I'm that bee that will sit there and contact the company and be like, do you have your colors mixed up? Because this is not gray. This is an ash tone. You could have just said blonde ash blonde or whatever. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace, and then we're going to throw her on, and I pray I look as fabulous as this gorgeous model. Oh, she's snug. Okay. All right. Oh my God, I look like I need to see someone's manager. I can almost feel it. Ma'am, can I talk to your manager? Oh my God, girl, you look like an idiot. No, I was rooting for this wig. Girl, look at these baby hairs. These baby hairs are out of control. I didn't even brush them in. This texture on this is super cute. The color. Oh my God, the color. I would probably have to utilize some of these baby hairs like this. Yes, I will have to utilize some of these baby hairs to make it look way more realistic. But in the meantime, we're just gonna tuck them away. meantime, I'm just gonna tuck these away. I'm gonna just tuck in the baby hairs, tuck them in. I love the texture of this wig. Do I look like I need to talk to your manager? Absolutely. She's very pro. Like, this is a professional wig. The texture of this is way silky. It feels really good. I mean, it's funny because I feel like my viewfinder kind of looks matte gray, but she's not. She is definitely not gray. She's way more ash toned. I think this khaki one, I would have had a better outcome with this khaki color. Wait, whoa. I mean, she's cute. This is something I can work with. This is kind of like a put on and go wig. I'm pulling it more to this side because I'm trying to even it out. The baby hairs are cute. The baby hairs work. Of course, you got to tame them a little bit. Probably add some heat or just stick them down. I'm just tucking them in because I don't want to finesse any baby hairs right now. She's cute. She is cute. The color is not something that I would particularly go for. Not knowing that I thought this was a gray unit. This is way more ash toned. Let me see. This looks more angelic. This looks more put together. And like, I'm hiding a garter belt and some leather boots and a whip, and you don't know none the wiser. The color is a beautiful ash tone. This is definitely a blonde that I can wear. On the viewfinder, the way I'm seeing it on my viewfinder here, it does look like a light gray, but it's still way more ashy tone that I'm seeing it on my viewfinder, but it looks like an ash gray. In person, right now, the way I'm looking at it, maybe it's my lights, it looks ash blonde. The texture on it, if you're looking for something silky, this is it. This is beautiful. If you are a woman that has thinner hair or is looking for something that looks thinner and just a little bit light, this is actually gorgeous. Eyana's really pretty. I think I actually will like this wig a lot. I just think I might even get it in a 1B. I might even get this khaki shade. I think if I don't know if you guys would want to see a review on it or just a try on for this color if I was to get it in the khaki, because I think the khaki looks really pretty, especially like on her skin tone. Looks gorgeous. What I'm going to do is let me do something with this part because she's looking really dark right here. The roots looks great. The baby hairs are helping the lace look really, really good. So I think the baby hairs that's a plus. So I'm going to use the remainder of my crusty dusty, who dropped it? Someone dropped my NYX foundation brush powder, and I don't have any left now. Okay, so I'm gonna have to use something else. So I'm just gonna, the part, I would recommend plucking it if you like your parts to be deeper, because as you guys can see, I'm kind of applying the powder on here. It is a deep part, but nah, man. Let me show you guys the back of the wig. She is very short. I have a ponytail here, which you can flatten out, but I don't feel any bulge. I really feel like it's supposed to be like a dome kind of cut, like a rounded end to it. The color looks great, like I said on my viewfinder. She is very short, very blunt cuts, almost A-line. Beautiful textured layers in the front. I could probably trim some of these actually. Overall, this wig is really beautiful. I love the texture of this wig. The color I'm really warming up to. She's looking real cute. So you could do this. She's looking really, really cute. I think overall, this is a really great unit. I am living for the texture of this wig. It feels really natural. It flows naturally. It's not shiny, where it looks really La Sintetica. Even though they're synthetic units and they're synthetic, wig brands, the fact that they're sitting there and looking for fibers that look realistic is really commendable, because, you know, yeah, we're not spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars on one wig, but the simple fact is I would like to wear it. Although I don't really like short hair on myself, this is a unit that'll like completely warm anyone up. This is a look for pretty much anyone. If you're looking for something subtle to wear to work, something clean line, clean cuts, it does come in a variety of colors. I am honestly really digging Eyana. I think she is sexy. She is just the right amount of professional with a little kink, and that's just for me. I actually really like her. Oh my god, guys. And I haven't seen any wig reviews on her. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much it for my review and try on of the Sensational Empress lace wig in Eyana in the shade TT1B matte gray, which is looking real ash blonde, but I'm not mad at it right now. I think I can wear this to work on Monday and be fine with it. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Come on, thumbs up, subscribe, you know, hit a girl up, show her the love, you know, forward it to your friends, share this video. Anyway, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.